They say great things can come even in small packages. Introducing PowerCom Mini. PowerCom Mini is the newest powerful and practical keypad in a compact size that weighs less than an ounce. This US-made keypad has 5 button answer choices. The keypad automatically goes to sleep mode after a few seconds of inactivity. Its coin cell battery lasts for 2 years. Practical yet powerful. With its patented FHSS advanced radio frequency technology and frequency hopping spread spectrum feature, we guarantee that there will be no signal interference and no data collision, making every vote secured. Quick and efficient. It is an upgraded Reply Mini keypad that can transmit 200 votes per second. Plug and play. It is HID compliant. Hassle-free. No need to install the USB base station driver. It gets recognized quickly. PowerCom Mini has the same functionality as the multi-digit keypad versions. What's even better is that you can combine this with PowerCom RF1 and RF2 keypads. Trainer free. You don't need a trainer to change keypad addresses with PowerCom Mini. Extremely portable because it weighs less than an ounce. But still extremely powerful since it can cover a large room of 650 by 650 feet dimensions. Now available in Office 2007, 2010 and 2013, and in Office 64-bit too. Some of the applications you can use the PowerCom Mini for are multi-site meetings, continuing medical education, medical symposium, corporate meeting and training, classroom lectures to interact with students. PowerCom Mini, portable, practical but more powerful than ever. Now you can buy a complete 30 keypad bundle for $895. To see the full potentials and opportunities for your next interactive event with PowerCom Mini, go to our downloads page at www.powercomars.com. Or contact us to get a free live demo at 212-997-2000, or email us at powercomars@dsi.net. PowerCom. Empower audience communication.